In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Nintendo Switch not connecting to your TV or monitor. This is going to work for the original Nintendo Switch as well as the Switch 2. And if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your dock and just turn it around and make sure everything is connected properly. Plug in that AC adapter, push it in firmly until it's fully seated. A loose connection is one of the most common issues, but on top of that, make sure that the HDMI cable is also securely plugged into the dock. Make sure it's pushed in all the way, and then plug the other end into a TV or a monitor. After that, close the back cover of the dock and double check that the AC adapter is plugged into any wall and that the HDMI cable is connected to your TV. From here, just grab your Switch, turn it on and unlock it first. After doing so, make sure the screen is facing the same direction as the dock logo, and then carefully place it onto the dock. When it's docked correctly, the screen should go black and a small green light is going to appear on the dock itself. That means it's now in docked mode. Now turn on your TV or monitor and make sure that the input source is set to the correct HDMI port. Many TVs have multiple HDMI inputs, so double check that you're on the right one. And if it's still not working, remove the switch itself from the dock. Look inside the dock USB-C connector and make sure that there's no dust or debris. You can use like a soft brush or compressed air to clean it. And after cleaning it, just place it back in the dock and try again. If the issue does continue for you, press and hold down on the power button on the top of the Switch and keep holding it down until power options appear, and select power options on your screen, tap restart, and once it reboots, unlock it, place it back in the dock, and test again. If none of these steps end up working for you, try a different HDMI cable, a different HDMI port, or a different TV or monitor. Sometimes the cable itself is the issue. And if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.